How to change the password of the FTP account in cPanel. If you wish to change the main root FTP account, then you need to change the password of your cPanel account. However, to change the password of a specific FTP account, keep watching this tutorial. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the Files section and click on the FTP accounts icon. Now scroll down to the FTP accounts section. Here locate the FTP account whose password you wish to change. Then click on the Change Password. You can enter the password manually and type it again to confirm it, or you can generate a password automatically. To generate a password, click on the Password Generator button. Copy and save this generated password in a safe place. After saving the password, click to check the box and then click on the Use Password button. Now click on the Change Password button. Now you can access your FTP user account with your new password. Thank you for watching.